Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPad to work on the Apple project. So you can see I'm in Google Classroom and here is the assignment. I'm going to tap the Apple Project 2020 Google slide. Okay, it has now opened. As it opens though, you're gonna notice all I can do is scroll through it. I can't touch anything. To be able to edit the Google slide, you have to come up here to the top where this white box with an arrow is. You're going to tap that box and that will then open the Apple project in Google Slides. Once it's in Google Slides, you will then be able to edit. So you're going to go ahead and swipe over to the Apple page, and I'm going to show you how to add both text and images. So if you'd like to add anything to it, you're just going to come up to the plus sign. If you want to add text, tap text, and a text box is going to pop up. So you can type in whatever word you want to include. Now you'll notice it's really small and kind of boring looking. So I'm going to double tap and that will highlight the entire word. And up here at the A with these little two lines right up here, tap that and you can change the font. Hit the back arrow. You can change the size. You can make it bigger. Whoops, sorry. Let me move that out of the way. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can change the color of the text. So because I'm saying frogs, I'll make it green. Okay, use the back arrow. You could add a highlight behind the text if you wanted to. This would just put a color in the background. Since I'm using green as my text, I'm going to keep my background light. And then when you're done, just tap off. You'll see the word frogs does not need a text box that big, so I'm gonna adjust it, make it a little bit smaller, and then I can drag it wherever I want on the project and tap off when you're done. So that's how you add text. If you would like to add pictures and images, that's what I'm gonna show you next. So the next thing that I'm gonna show you is how to add an image. So again, I came up to the plus sign at the top. I'm gonna tap image. Now, you can take pictures of things around you that you want to include. So if I tap from camera, that's going to activate my camera. I can take a picture, come down to the bottom, click use photo, and I now have an actual photo of something. So if you have a teddy bear that you really love, or you want to take a picture of your family, you can do that right from the camera. The other thing that you can do is add images that you find from the internet. That's the most complicated way, but I'm going to show you how to do it. And once you know how to do it, it's really not that bad. Okay, so what you're going to have to do first is you're going to have to get out of Google Slides. So hit your home button at the bottom of the iPad, and you're going to go into Safari, and you'll see, let me back up a minute. I am at Google. If you're not at Google when you get into Safari, just come up to the top and you can type in Google and you're going to search for an image. So I'm going to search for frog clip art. Now I like to add the word clip art to my image searches because clip art is usually fun, more cartoony images instead of photographs. So I'm going to search for that. A bunch of images pop up. I immediately see one that I think is kind of cute. So I'm going to tap that image. Here it is over here. So now, right over here where the image pops up, I'm going to hold my finger on that image until this menu over here comes up. In this menu, it says add to photos right here. I want to tap add to photos. That's going to download this frog image and put it into my photos folder on the iPad. Okay, so now we need to get back to the Google slide. So the home button at the bottom of your iPad, you're gonna double tap twice, get back to the Apple slide. Now we wanna insert that frog image. So plus sign, image, but this time we're going to say from photos. And you'll see this now opens the pictures that I have on my iPad. I select the frog that I want and boom, it puts it right in. And I can adjust the size. So there's 3 ways that you can add things to your Apple project: adding text, adding a picture using your camera, and adding a picture from the internet. If you need to rewatch this video, You may want to watch it 2, 3, 4 times if you need more support with how to follow those directions.